It's better this way. You don't really like what they play on the radio every single day. It's better this way. Ain't no telling when it's gonna change, cause they all really say the same thing. It's better this way. If you're looking for some original soul, I know where you should go. It's better this way. This that creep, remind you of that shit you used to play in your parents' car, had you feeling as if outer space was in your atmosphere. 18 aliens all in your ear, tired of being outcasted. I hope they beamed you out of here. Nowadays we flex so much, get a check so much, we never chill. Way too drunk to drive, high as fuck, plus we popping pills. Celebrate the very shit that slow us down and probably kill. Song ain't even jamming, no. #1 in every field. Got that on repeat right before you wake. On your way to work, on your way to church. Stuck in traffic right before you go to sleep. I know you tired of that overdrive, that commercialized sing-along. Wonder why they play that song all the time. You don't really like what they play on the radio.